Okay, so I just put on Galaga. So after this game, I'm just gonna be showing you Popeye and other NES games, which are light gun games, which I'm gonna be showing you after I'm done playing Galaga. Oh, I lost. Also, the shoulder buttons for this controller, they're just decoration. And they're not even real things. Okay, so let's move on to Popeye. And I'll be showing you this. This is a light gun, and it has this 9-pin controller input. Yeah, for the light gun games. Yeah, I just beat it up, Bluto. Yeah. Now in this game, all you do is to collect all the hearts, but try to avoid Bluto, because if you touch him, then you lost. Yeah. You have to collect all the hearts before it falls into the water. Oh, I'll try to be careful with the jump. I'm actually going to be using an analog stick.